Hi, I'm Ryan, CEO of KHB Construction. Here at KHB, the B in our name stands for bathroom, and we have specialized in bathrooms, especially up in the Tracy location, for the past 2 years. In Tracy, there are a multitude of things you should be looking for in your bathroom remodel, and we want to touch on a few of those things in this video. First being the criteria of what you look for in your contractor. Secondly, the price points for these bathrooms. And third, just general expectations in the remodeling process. Let's talk about contractor criteria you should be looking for up in Tracy. With this, just like anything else in life, there are levels to general contractors and what they specialize in. So first things first, you should be looking for a contractor that specializes in bathroom renovations. Secondly, with this contractor, whether it's big or small, you should be looking for a few different contractors that are very like for like in what they bring to the table. What they bring to the table might be a direct value to you, or it might be their connections in the industry and vendors, or the way their company is actually formed as a corporation that's a design build instead of a sole proprietor that's a solopreneur. So ask those questions when you're looking for your contractor about what they can bring to the table for you. Second thing here, with this contracting pool that you are going to be kind of pre-qualifying yourself to see if you want to work with them, you need to be asking them about process and timeline. Process is especially important in contracting companies that specialize in one aspect of renovations. In this case, a bathroom. What is the proven process that they have done repeatedly on every bathroom they ever performed to ensure that your bathroom transformation is going to be a success? Now that you know a little bit of who you should be looking for to do your bathroom, another big aspect of this project is going to be the price. So you have your 2 to 3 contractors, you already vetted, you're talking to them. Now you need to get into price points. And when we're talking price, we need to talk about 2 different types of renovations. The first is a transitionary renovation. This is gonna be the bathroom that you're gonna live in for maybe 5 to 15 years. You're not gonna be living in this bathroom for the rest of your life. This might turn into a rental property. It might be sold and you take that equity to go buy a forever home. Regardless, you need to be a little bit more budget conscious in this bathroom transformation. These transitionary bathrooms typically start around $35,000 and obviously can be as expensive as you want them to be. The biggest thing here is getting the return on your investment, that this bathroom transformation is gonna give you more equity in the home in the long run, and you're not going too much out of pocket in the short term to get the bathroom you're looking for. The second type of renovation we need to talk about here is the forever home renovation. These are what we love here at KHB because we get to get very creative with design. Forever home renovations, specifically in the bathroom here, they are gonna be the last renovation you ever need in that space. So this is where you go a little bit more extravagant with finishes and more timeless touches so you don't have to renovate it in 15, 20, 25 years. We are gonna be doing a lot of future-proofed aspects of this bathroom. So roll-in shower pans, 0 transitions from main living flooring to the bathroom flooring, electrical accessibility in toilet locations and towel rack locations for heated towel bars, bidet toilets, different accessories like that. The big thing here is that you love it. So the price point isn't as big of a concern in these forever home renovations. We just need to make sure that when you go to sell the home in 20 plus years, maybe you hand it down to a family member, or if you're aging in place, you're gonna get the same value as the day one that bathroom was renovated. These forever home bathroom transformations typically start around $55,000. We've also done some for well over 6 figures. So comes down to your taste, comes down to the amenities and value you're looking for in that bathroom, but you could bet to kind of start around $55,000 for this forever home bathroom. So we know what we should be looking for in a contractor. We roughly know some ballpark pricing. Now, how long should this take? A typical hall bathroom should take around 21 days, at least historically here at KHB. More structural components to a bathroom transformation, let's say in a master bathroom, taking out a few walls or recessing the subfloor for a roll-in shower. These can take upwards of 25 to 30 days, depending on the full scope of work. So about a month or so, let's say up to 6 weeks of actual work days on site to get these bathroom transformations completed. That is a great question you should be asking your contractor you're talking to. how long is this gonna take, along with the final price. Now that you know what you should be looking for in your contractor and your price point and overall just process in this bathroom remodel, I want to talk about Kitchen, Home, and Bath and what we bring to the table for our customers in Tracy, California. First thing here is we have a ton of experience in our crew. We have over 3 licensed contractors on our team, specifically in the field. We also have a 10-step proven process that has left many customers before you happy with their transformations in their homes. So from the reviews we have online to our proven process internally to execute bathroom transformations, we have a lot to bring to the table, and we would love to talk to you about our proven process and how we can help you in your bathroom transformation. So go to our website, kitchenhomeandbath.com, fill out the Get Your Quote form, and we will talk to you soon.